Hello everyone, what's up? I am Leena Shankapa and today we are going to start our next poem from the class 10th, The Dust of Snow. The poem is written by the Robert Frost, and Robert Frost is a romantic poet, dear students. And romantic poet, it's not mean that we have seen the romance in movies. The romantic poet means the love for nature, the beauty of nature and the appreciation of nature, that all these things he mentioned in his poetry. So Robert Frost as a romantic poet, so most of his poet based on the nature, and this poem is very meaningful and very interesting poem, dear students. So Dust of Snow, this poem is only 8 lines poem, only 2 stanza we have in this poem. So we have the two meanings of this poem. Each and every poem has two meaning, the literary meaning and metaphorical meaning. So we have to see the literary meaning also, as well as we will see the metaphorical meaning also. In this poem, Robert Frost want to throw light upon the how unimaginable, how the unauspicious thing from the nature can be good for us, can bring a happiness for us. So we will see how the stressful life can change in happiness through the nature. This poem shows the nature is in that nature there is nothing can be cured. So nature is very important for human being as well as all living things, students. So Robert Frost has given this message from the poem. So we will see all the new words, all the hidden meaning from this poem. So let's start first new words. New words from the poem: shook, the past form of shake; hemlock tree, poisonous tree with a small white flower; rued, held in regret. We will see the symbols used in the poem. The crow is symbols for sorrow, mourning, mourning, and the hemlock tree also poisonous tree. Here the symbols for the hemlock tree is a sorrow and mood, that sad mood in this poem they have mentioned here, and dust of snow symbols for the happiness. Let's read poem first. The way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. The way a crow shook down on me, the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. In the first stanza, the poem is set in a scene where the poet is in a bad mood. Poet जो है वो bad mood में है and walking by the tree, that is hemlock tree. Hemlock tree के वहाँ से गुजर रहा था. Hemlock tree is a poisonous tree. And as he passed by, a crow happens to throw some snow dust on him. जो पास हो रहा था जब पोएट, तब क्रो ने उसके ऊपर स्नो डस्ट डाल दिया. So whether it falls on his head or shoulder, actually it's not mentioned properly, but snow गिर गया, and because of that the poet feel differently. And how the snow fall down, actually that is also not mentioned, because of which action. So here the two agents of nature they have mentioned here, the hemlock tree and the crow. and they are significance of a sadness and gloom, just like the poet's mood was in the opening scene. जो ओपनिंग सीन है, जो फर्स्ट आंजा में पोएट का यहाँ पे मूड दिखाया गया है कि वो सैड मूड में है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट द स्नो the poet's mood change. So we will see in the next stanza. He has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had dread. So because of this unknown reason, the author was having a terrible day. They have not mentioned here a properly reason why he was sad, but the falling of snow on his head, उसके ऊपर जो snow गिर गया, and because of that lifted his mood instantly. Because of that उसका mood instantly change हो गया, and he had already spent his day in a bad mood, but the rest of it was saved by the crow and the hemlock tree. जो उसका दिन गया था वो बहुत बैड गया था, and because of that hemlock tree and crow it saved. And generally hemlock tree and crow are used for a negative reference, but the poet used them beautifully to portray that inauspicious things can bring joy and happiness. बट यहाँ पे पोएट ने ये दिखाया है कि हेमलॉक ट्री एंड बिकॉज ऑफ द क्रो दो दे आर इनऑस्पिशियस, बट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट हिज मूड चेंज, एंड द हेमलॉक ट्री दो दे आर नेगेटिव, but the poet beautifully portrayed that the inauspicious thing can also bring a happiness. So one must not take things for granted and should be open and accept whichever way the nature chooses to bless us. तो ये पोएम में ये बताया है पोएट ने कि जो ऑस्पिशियस थिंग है, इनऑस्पिशियस जो है वो भी हैप्पीनेस ला सकती है. So The Dust of Snow by Robert Frost is a small and simple poem with a deep meaning. See here, we got a deep meaning, and it expresses the significance of a small things in changing one's attitude. The poem explains that the little things in life can make a huge changes in our future. So it also reflects that hard times in the life will lead to the happier times if we can persist with it. Understood? So we have seen this poem, how the short poem by Robert Frost has throws the light upon the unauspicious thing from the nature. And though the crow, hemlock trees, they were negative indications, but because of that, poet got happiness. So here in this poem, poet want to say there is no any superstitious. Dear students, we know very well crow is not the good omen. A hemlock tree, that poisonous tree, also shows the negative omen. It's not good omen, but still because of crow, he got the happiness. His days gets a better. Whatever half day was very bad, but afterwards his day get better. So he want to say here there is no any superstitious in this world. Actually, whatever the superstition, we are saying that the cat, crow, all these bad omen, and all the bad omen only made by human beings. The nature has equal for all living creature also. So only because of human beings we are thinking that these things is bad for us, because crow always we thought as a bad omen or doom for us. We are not appreciating a crow, and hemlock tree also is a poisonous tree here. And in our India also we are thinking that crow is not good, as well as cat. If the cat cross the road and we are saying चलो अभी ये बिल्ली ने रास्ता काट लिया है तो हमारा भी काम नहीं होगा. So actually these all are superstitious. Whatever the nature has given us, we have to accept it. One must accept the way with which nature chosen for us. And in this poem we got nice message, as well as we have to think that even though in the darkest time also we got a good thing from the nature, and so stressful life is there, if we go in nature we can change our mood, like how the poet has changed his mood. Though poet was in bad mood, but because of the dust of snow यहाँ पे क्या दिया है उन्होंने, the little particles of snow, and he feel very happy, and the dust of snow from the nature he got his change, his mood change because of that dust of snow. So dear students, this message from the Robert Frost, the nature is very very beautiful. So this poem is all about the nature. Did you understand the poem? If you like this poem explanation, please subscribe my channel and like it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.